Welcome back to my channel, that is Tech Aruna, and today we are going to learn about how to use trending posters like this using an app called Type CutOut. So without wasting time, let us move on to Canva, open a blank template, choose the image which you want to use it. Now go to apps and type CutOut. Now you can open it. Now you can see what all the things you can do here. You can actually go to the font and you can choose any font you wanted. You can play around it nicely. Then you can write the text whichever you want to add on. Arrange it accordingly. You can add an outline also. You can increase or decrease the thickness or thin of the outline also. Now add it to the design. You can scale the image also as per your need. Now add it to the design. Here we can actually set the image, or you can crop the image and place it properly and enlarge the text as you want it and position it at the extreme end, whether it is right or left, and then you can send the font to the front. Yes, that's it. Now the background can be a little bit moved on. So let us try one more thing. Here I would like to tell you that you can choose your own image, or the image templates are given over there. We can try on all those things and you can do that also. I'm trying on another design. So you can rotate the image, you can scale the image, whatever you want, you can do it. And you can change the color of the outline, whatever you wanted. Thin and thickness also can be changed. Now add it onto the design. Now to give a little bit better effect, we have duplicated the image, and that can be flipped vertically, and then you can reduce the transparency to look as if it is a reflection. And that's all. Now you've got a wonderful poster design, that too trending poster design. And if you like it, click the button, like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.